I want us to calculate the value of the resistor using the resistor color code chart. So just write down your colors, the colors you have seen. Then you're going to use this chart.
I've learned a lot about electronics first. I've learned about the Arduino and how it works.
First, I did not know what is Arduino, but now at least I know what it means. I know how to make traffic lights.
We have learned so much about electronics, so knew about it. My request to them is to bring us a lab electronics, and for that, team education shall go further.
When I pursue in my education, I would like to be an electrical engineer.
When I finish school, I would like to be a teacher so that I can teach others about electronics.
I would like to request the TMA education to bring more equipment into our school so that we can train on how to use electronics.
I'll tell TMA education to continue with their program so that they can help other young people outside there.
TMA education.
Together we go further. Woo!